Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is the Highland Chef, and this week we are making Chicken Alfredo with homemade pasta. This simple recipe only needs 5 ingredients: eggs, flour, salt, olive oil, and water. We will begin by separating 4 eggs to retrieve the yolks that we need to make our pasta. Next, we will make a well with 1 cup of flour that we will slowly whisk our eggs into. We will beat these together with a fork until all of the eggs are incorporated. Then, switching to our hands, we will mix in the remaining water, salt, and olive oil and begin kneading until the dough can form a tight ball. We will continue to knead the dough for 5 minutes until it is elastic and pulls back on itself when stretched. Next, we will form the dough into a tight ball and wrap in plastic. We will let the dough rest for half an hour, which will give us time to roast the tomatoes for the dish. We will toss the cherry tomatoes together with olive oil and salt. Then roast in the oven on high heat until blistered and sizzling. Now that the dough is rested, we can cut it into more manageable pieces. We will run the dough through the pasta machine on its widest setting several times, folding in thirds between passes, and adding a dusting of flour as needed. Once the dough is laminated, we will slowly tighten the rollers until we are at the second widest setting. Now we can cut the dough into noodles. We will set them aside as we make the sauce. After searing off a chicken breast, we will sweat together the diced shallots and sliced garlic. We will let this cook until they become soft and translucent before deglazing with white wine. We will let this reduce by half before adding in the cream. Once the cream comes to a boil, we will add the Parmesan cheese, chicken, and roasted tomatoes from earlier. Now we can cook our noodles for 3 minutes in boiling water before draining and adding to our sauce. We will cook the pasta in the sauce for another minute to allow the flavors to come together. We will finish this dish by adding Romano cheese and fresh basil.